So I'm trying the TikTok challenge I saw on Instagram. I have to get all that right. So I cut my my muslin here, and I'm gonna cut it at 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. I'm cutting at 8 inches, so I'm going to leave 1/4 of an inch on either side. And I don't know what I'm going to use to tape it up, so I'm going to use packing tape. And I'm going to cut the paper actually a little bit shorter because it's too long. So this is 8.5 by 11. How about 10.5 inches? Okay. Because my mind is like going like, what? And so I'm going to iron this. All nice and ironed. Oops. She had, like I said, she had painter's tape. I'm using packing tape. Uh-oh. That's what I didn't want to happen. Ah! Look at that, see? Christ. Better. Maybe I should have given myself some more room. You know what? Take off. I'm nervous. 3/4 of an inch. How about 1/2 an inch? There. Don't know if this is going to work. your fingers crossed. Get the tape off so it doesn't get caught. And I didn't give myself enough room, so again, I don't know. We'll see if that doesn't muck up the works. That could make a difference. I don't know. The first try jammed. For me, it did not work. It stuck in the printer. The young woman on Mood on Instagram at the Mood workshop, she had a brother. I have the Epson ET 3850 and the paper jammed. I don't know if it was the fabric, and it was just a basic regular muslin. It wasn't a real thick, I mean, it's actually a pretty cheap thin fabric, so I don't know. I have to now take my printer down and try to get this paper out. So it didn't work for me. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but yeah. And I ironed the fabric, so everyone who is doing the t-shirts with the not direct to fabric but heat transfers, they're using Epsons, so I don't know what I did wrong, or if my printer just won't take it or whatever, but it isn't working for me. I might try again, I might not, because I don't want to ruin my printer. Didn't work for me. Started to. And it looks like the tape was fine. It's just the fabric. Maybe it could have been that lump there. And that little that was at the bottom. So whatever it was too thick. So it did not work for me. Again, I'm not saying it doesn't work. But there are some considerations that I'm not aware of that is keeping me from being able to do this. I do have this stuff. So I got a bunch of this stuff. So I made these, you guys, and I just do not like my text. Can you see that? Yeah. I think it's cheesy. It's corny. See?